Dell XPS 9530 is a model in the high-end XPS family that is renowned for its superior build quality, and it is also very expensive, up to $2,550 in Cambodia. Dell XPS 9530 specific vote need to take into account the rating. These are some factors that are usually considered when reviewing a laptop such as the Dell XPS 9530. Dell XPS is outer body, which combines aluminum and carbon fiber element, is frequently praised for its elegant and robust design, but it gets a little hot. Dell XPS 9530 boasts high-resolution screen with superior brightness and color accuracy. It has screen 15.6-inch 3.5K 3456 by 2160 60Hz OLED touch. Dell XPS 9530 has RAM 16GB DDR5, 4800 MHz, 2H8GB, support up to 32GB, and a 13th generation Intel Core i9-13900H processor, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060, 8GB GDDR6 Graphic, 512GB M.2 PCIe NVMe storage, and it has 2 slot SSD 2280. XPS 9530 laptop has a nice keyboard with good travel. It has good brightness with a 86Wh 11.4V battery, 6 cell light, and the battery life on the Dell XPS 9530 expect around 4 to 5 hours of moderate usage before needing to recharge. Verifying battery performance is significant for real-world application. Because of its tiny profile and restricted number of Type-C ports, the XPS 9530 may have fewer ports overall. Bluetooth compatibility and the most recent Wi-Fi standard are examples of wireless connectivity, and they may also feature a number of stealth tools. This is just my opinion. Therefore, before deciding to buy, please review for yourself.